Hey guys, and welcome back to the Proclockers YouTube channel. I am Rick with Proclockers, and this is my companion video for the iStorage DiskAshure M2. In this video, we're going to be testing the crush-proof claims and performing a drop test on this 1 terabyte hardware encrypted solid-state drive. If you're a subscriber, thank you for coming back. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing so you don't miss out when we publish videos of cool computer hardware and peripherals you probably want to know about. First off is the crush test. I'm using my 1999 Ford F-150 Super Cab truck. According to Ford specifications, this truck has a gross vehicle weight of 6,250 pounds, or a little over 3 tons. Looks like the DiskAshure M2 took that test like a champ. No marks, not even a hint of any kind of failure. Now our drop test, 11 feet. That didn't sound good. As I suspected, we got some damage on the housing, but what matters is, does it still work? So, there we are, about to plug it into the computer. You can see the damage on the housing from the drop test. Slide the drive out from its protective housing. Plug it into the computer. Enter your password. As you can see, our lights are flashing, so that's a good sign. We wait for it to go solid green. That's when you know it's connected to the computer. And there it is. And there we are, still working. Thank you for checking out our video. Be sure to head on over to Proclockers.com to see my full written review of the DiskAshure M2. Subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. Once again, I'm Rick for Proclockers, and I'll see you on the next review.